All right, I'm cold. So, welcome to this. I'm Gold, and I'm very excited this morning because look what's arrived. Christmas has come early, and I've got this magnificent new grill. Oh, what a beauty! Look at this. So. So I've opted to get the stand as well. So this is the Urban stand. It's finished in acacia wood, which is the same finish as on the handle of the unit. So it'll look really nice, but you can also get it in black aluminium. So we'll build that, put it all together and show you what it looks like. So here it is. We've got it all set up. It's in the stand. Stand looks fantastic. It's all acacia, so it matches the handle on here. You can get it all in black aluminium if you'd rather, but I think it looks really good like that. This top vent is cast iron, and you use that to adjust the temperature, obviously. I'm so excited. Right, we're going to get some coals inside it, we're going to get it fired up, and I'm going to start cooking on it.